Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a poster mockup. First, select a fantastic high-resolution poster mockup template. You can find many free and premium options online. Once you have your template, open it in your preferred image editing software, such as Adobe Photoshop. Look for the layer clearly labeled as a smart object. This is where your design will be placed. Double-clicking this layer will open a new window, ready for your artwork. Now that you've opened the smart object, it's time to bring in your poster design. Simply drag and drop your finished artwork file directly into this new window. Ensure your design is centered and scaled appropriately to fill the entire canvas. You might need to adjust its size slightly to achieve a perfect fit, maintaining its aspect ratio. Once satisfied, save this smart object document to apply the changes. After saving and closing the Smart Object window, your design will magically appear on the main mockup. Take a moment to observe how it integrates. Many mockups include adjustable layers for shadows, highlights, and reflections. Fine-tune these elements to enhance realism, making your poster look truly integrated into the scene. You can also explore options to change the background or add subtle textures for a more polished presentation. With your poster design perfectly placed and refined, it's time for the final step, exporting your masterpiece. Carefully review the entire mockup one last time to ensure everything looks just right. Then, go to File and select Save As or Export. Choose a common image format like JPEG or PNG. For the best quality, select a high-resolution setting, typically around 300 dots per inch, ensuring your presentation looks professional and crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.